It's been a couple minutes since I've been on this channel. I know. I've abandoned this channel, but I'm back. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. If you're new to my channel, you know the routine. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back and thank you for the subscription. And yeah, it's been a while since I've been on this channel, I know. But I'm trying to get back to building this channel and see how far it could take me. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Just got this from the I guess the UPS or whoever dropped it off today. FedEx, it's actually FedEx. So I just picked it up from outside, and I'm using the iPhone box just to cover my name and address and phone number. So that's why that iPhone box is there. And actually, that iPhone, that's my new iPhone 13 Pro Max that I just got maybe less than a week ago. I got it because my 11 Max Pro started to act the fool, so I had to get a new phone. So I didn't get a new phone because it's the iPhone 13 Max Pro. No, I got a new phone because my 11 Max Pro, which I got less than a year ago, is acting the fool on me. So yeah. So with any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing here. I saw it online on Nordstrom, and I'm in love with it. In love with it. And I finally decided to get it. Actually, I just ordered it maybe I gotta say 5 days ago or less. Yeah, I just ordered this thing and it came already. That was super fast. So I'm using the 13 Max Pro, which is this phone right here in the box. I'm using it to shoot this video. So they say the camera quality is kind of good on this phone. So let's see if they know what they're talking about. So, okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing here. It's a sneakers, and it's from Moschino Couture. I didn't know it was from the Couture side. I thought it was just Moschino, but it's still cool because I still like the sneakers, so it's cool. It was a little pricey for sneakers, but it's all good. All right, so let's take this out and we're gonna unbox it. So this is the box that it came in, and it came exactly like this with this rubber band. So let's take this off. And I'm using the cinematic option on this phone, so I don't know if it's gonna be cinematic and great, but just bear with me. I'm trying to get used to this iPhone 13 Pro. It might be a little blurry at times, I don't know why, but I'm using the cinematic option. Voila! Okay, there it is. Return policy, blah, 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 blah. And this, of course, is the, what you call this, the duffel bag. You can keep the shoes in just to preserve the quality of it. Yeah. And we got some little cards here. This just tell you how to care for the product. Yeah. Let me just zoom it in. Ta-da! I don't know what this 314 means. Control quality. You know what that means. And voila! This is the bad boy or the bad girl. Check it out. When I saw this online, oh my gosh, I was immediately in love. I was like, I had to get this. I had to get this sneakers. Look at this. Look at this baby. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at this Moschino logo. Oh my gosh, this is super hot. Look at that. It got the logo right here as well in black. And I preferred it. I don't know if they have white. I don't think I've seen the white. I've seen, oh, they have like the, I think it's leopard print with the gold trimmings, the gold accent. I didn't like that. I'm not into prints, but I love the black. And you know with sneakers, sometimes it's hard. Once it get dirty, it's hard to take care of it. So I like the fact that it's black. I can clean it off and go. And the cinematic thing is trying to focus. So if it looks out of focus, it's not. It's just the iPhone 13 Pro, the cinematic option I'm using. And I don't know why it does that focus thing, and sometimes it go blur, but it's not me, it's the phone. So look at that bad boy or bad girl. And let me tell you something about the size. These do not come in half sizes. They come in whole sizes. So like they have 6, 7, 8, 9, you know, that kind of stuff. You won't have 6.5, you won't have 7.5, 8.5. I'm actually an 8.5. So what I had to do, I knew the 8 wasn't gonna fit me. So I had to go up a half a size, which is 9, the next size up from 8. So this is a size 9. And this is perfect size. So you won't find this in half sizes again. So if you wear a size 7, you would have to get a size 8. If you wear a size 8, you will have to get a size 9. If you wear a size 9, you will have to get a size 10. And I don't know how far or how high up the sizes go. Yeah, okay. So let's take this out. You know what? I'm gonna take it out of the cinematic option and just use the regular video because I don't like when it blurs like that. Be right back. Okay, so we're out of the cinematic option. We're in just regular video, and I hope the view is much better. And yeah, some Moschino sneakers. Let me do a close-up. Love the black and the gold. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's take the other one out. Here it is. And I don't like to buy shoes that are fabric. I like them when they're like patent leather or leather for cleaning reasons. Because I don't like to spend a lot of money in shoes and there's fabric, and then it gets dirty, and then it's hard to clean, and then you have to throw it out and you waste money, you know what I mean? So I like to buy shoes that are not fabric. So I like the fact that it's leather. I don't know if it's real leather. I mean, this is almost $500, so I would suppose that the leather is real. So yeah, so let me tell you exactly how much I paid for it. So if you want to go get it, again, I found this on Nordstrom Rack. You can go on their app, or you can go on their website. And Nordstrom, I'm not advertising for you, but I'm just letting them know where they can find this beautiful ensemble. Very nice. Look at it. Yeah, so let me tell you how much I paid for it. Let me get these out of the way. And I would try it on, but it's early morning and my feet, I can show you a little bit my foot. My feet is so ashy. I'm wearing some Versace house slippers, but my feet is real ashy. I'll show you a little bit. See, it's real ashy. So I'm not gonna try this on for y'all to see my ashy feet. So I paid, oh, it's not on this. I thought it would be on this. On this receipt thing. It's not on here. But it's, I think, if I can remember, I think this was like 400. It's close to 500. I'm pretty sure. I think I spent like 520, you know, including shipping and taxes and all that kind of stuff. So it's like 520. I paid in all for this beautiful, amazing piece of fashion. So if you are interested, again, I don't know if other stores would have them, but I got this from Nordstrom Rack. And it looks like they have a lot of them in stock. Because normally when they have limited amount, they would say limited amount, or it would say only 2 left in stock or something like that. So it didn't say that, so I'm sure they have a lot in stock. So go grab yours before they're gone. And trying to get this out, but I'll leave it in there. So yeah, and here it is. Give you one more view before I go. And yeah, the beautiful Moschino. And it's a you can wear it as a boot. You can wear this with some socks. Get some Moschino socks to go with it, and you can wear it as a sneakers. But tell me this is not beautiful. Tell me this is not beautiful. Look at the gold accessory across this beautiful masterpiece of a sneakers. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The design is super great. Look at the design. And I like the fact that it's a high top and not a low top sneakers. So again, you can wear it like as a little booty with some socks. And you can dress this up. You can dress this down with some jeans, with some leather pants, with some shorts and a nice blazer. With some, you can even get like a Moschino t-shirt to go with this. Oh my gosh, this can be worn in so many different ways. I'm just giving you different angles of this beautiful masterpiece of a design. The designer for this, I'll give you 100 thumbs up for this. Like, I love a good design. And it's not like a common design, like where all the designers are you know, following the same fashion. It just stands out and it's so different. I love it. All right, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys for watching. Again, hit the subscription button, help me to grow this channel. And thank you for watching. Leave your comment if you have one. Let me know. If you don't have one, if you plan to get one, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you very much.